So all that you have to learn in mathematics for machine learning is, first you have to go through linear algebra, then you'll have to learn probability, statistics, and some amount of calculus, followed by the important algorithms in machine learning and some other stuff. So, and also one important point I want to highlight at this point of time is that maths is a prerequisite of almost every machine learning course. For example, you go to take a boot camp in future, or you might buy a course from some organization. So when you go and read the course description, in that itself it would be written that math is a prerequisite. You should be knowing calculus, you should be knowing linear algebra, and all of those stuff. So it's better you keep it ready. It's better you understand, read, and keep a notes kind of thing for it, so that you won't face any troubles while learning the concepts of machine learning.